Good morning, beauties. I'm back, and this is just another face of the day. I am doing the Urban Decay Fun Palette, and this color here on my waterline is a gorgeous purple, and it's called Freak Show. Yes. So I'm rocking Maui Wowie by Urban Decay Fun Palette in my inner tear duct. And I'm just doing Urban Decay all week. It's my favorite eyeshadow line. I love how pigmented they are. My eyelid color is actually coming from the Urban Decay Smoked palette. Looks like this. And I did another lip with, basically this is the deep purple with my NYX. It's called, oh my god, I forgot the name. I think it's like, oh, Salsa. It's called Salsa. I wore this sort of a similar lip combo yesterday. Not too highlighted today. I have a slight contour. I'm using the Ruby Kisses Set It and Forget It powder and banana. And you guys, I'm super matte right now. As you know, I'm still using the Milk of Magnesia with the HD by LA Pro Girl concealer. So yeah, I filled in my eyebrows, probably too dark today, but what the hell, I don't care. I'm just going to work. So yeah, let me know what you're thinking. Let me zoom you guys in. That's full face. Yeah, not much of a highlight today. And that's pretty much it. So, as you can see in my background, I'm in the same spot, waiting on this late-ass train. And your girl, I just always seem to be late. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm always late. Fashionably, of course. No matter what time I leave, I'm always late. And I gotta do better. I really do. But for now, your girl got another face of the day in, and I'm happy for that. Let me know what you think. And holla at your girl. Later.